Today we will be making Cupid's Cloud Raspberry and Cream Dessert. You will need half a teaspoon of vanilla, half cup and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 cups of frozen fruit, and 1 cup of whipping cream. You will first add the cup of whipped cream, the half cup of sugar, and a half teaspoon of vanilla to a bowl. Now set that aside to be used later. Next, you will add 2 cups of frozen or fresh fruit to a food processor. You will then add another half cup of sugar. Next, you will combine your mixture into your whipped cream.
I believe I would rate this a 7 out of 10, mainly because there's so much sugar in it and you can definitely tell.
I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10 because all I could taste was the strawberries and it needed more whipped cream.